Hi there, this is Carlos Gomez, and this short video I will show you workflow that I've made using N8N and integrating some technologies such as Google, mainly Google, because we are going to work with Google Form, Google Sheets, and Google Gmail. And for our database, we're gonna use Postgres and Neon tables. So in general terms, this workflow will send a notification to our email after taking a request that will be sent from our form and Google Sheet. So let's begin. At the beginning, our database will have this data for black t-shirts SLM, and the quantity is 10 for each one. Our register is currently having 3 requests, and we will send another one using the Google form. Okay, we have our form is filled right now, and we want to submit it, and the response has been sent. So we will see the response that is linked to our tissue register responses here, and we can see the response here. So what we have these 4 registers that will be sent, that will be processed to our workflow in N8N. So currently these registers are unverified, and of course it haven't been processed yet. So we will start and we will send this register to our process, and we will see what happens there. So when I execute this button, the workflow will start, and we will see how each register will be starting in our N8N workflow. So let's begin. And the first step, the filter, and the second one, the third one, and the fourth one register, and the final register is to end the workflow, and the workflow has been executed successfully. So at the end of the day, we're gonna send a message, and we can see in our email this notification. So we can see the email to the 4 registers that we saw before, and the database now has 9. Is the quantity of the t-shirt. So that's all for now, and I hope you are enjoying this short video, and we see in the next one.